Leave my kitchen alone, you fuckers. Colleges are stupid. My coffee. You are not learning anything from this YouTube. This has been on my head for the last 2 to 3 days. I made this tea. You are watching and consuming content of idiots. So I fried this egg with roti on top, and then I flipped it. Then I put some Maggie into it. Who are neither making money nor are doing any positive impact on your life. I think I'll not go to sleep today. My audience is not at all in Kolkata. Okay, so welcome to vlog 9 of it. Yesterday, I went on to sleep at around 2. I woke up today at around 10:30, so I had a pretty good sleep. I think I feel very energized, very recharged. Now, all I have to do is fix my diet so that I don't feel the lethargic vibe that comes during the afternoon. So that is something that I'm gonna do. But right now, so I'm still at my office. For the last 4 to 5 days, I have not slept at my home. I'm only sleeping and walking through my office. I'm going and visiting my clients. I'm doing a lot of these things. Okay, so today I said I'll get all the things done, and I have to get all the things done, or else it doesn't make any sense to do these vlogs because it's all idiotic content, chasing after the numbers, cloud chasings, and all this stuff. I don't want any of it. So right now I woke up, I got fresh, I cleaned up my bed, I did clean up the rooms and all. So right now I'm not cooking, I'm making my coffee. Once this coffee is done, I'll go back to my home. I'll work from my home today because I have not been there, and parents are pretty furious about that. What are you doing in office? Why are you all the time in office and all this stuff? So I have to go there. I'll do some work from there. Then I come back over here, and I'll clear up rest of the work, or I'll come back here by evening. I don't know. I'll see what I'm gonna do. But yeah, that's a pretty good beginning of the day. So okay, so let's get started with today's vlog. I think I've already started it. Only thing that I wanted to talk was about the things that I've done today. Woke up in the morning, one client done and dusted, personal video done and dusted. Then I got my lunch. I watched Suits. I'm now having this guava, and it's only food. If I'm not wrong, yeah, it's not even food. It's 340. So right now I'm going back to my office. As I said, I'm gonna kill all the works today. I need some good sleep. I'll kill all the works. I'll go to sleep today, and then I think I'll not go to sleep today. I'm gonna do some editing tonight so that tomorrow I have even less work to do and more focus on the new acquisitions. I wanna bang on the new acquisitions tomorrow. Today is Wednesday, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it's Wednesday. So yeah, Thursday I have a call tonight, and right now not much things. Today's vlog editing was done. It was really dark. So I don't know. I'm expecting a lot of views or not, but it is the longest vlog. And if some entrepreneurs or if someone who is going to become an entrepreneur watches it, it will help it. It will help him a lot to understand all the dark days that are there in the shit of entrepreneurship. So yeah, that's it. That's it for now. Go. Let's go to my office. ये तुलसी.
Okay.
Oh. So today I'm gonna go with a demo English with DG. So DG, how are you?
I'm fine.
How fine?
I'm fine.
How was your exam?
Nice.
So did you nail Figma?
No, no.
No. I actually am happy that I woke up. I edited the video. I did a lot of things done. I'm repeating myself again. So I'll get up with a new story that I want to do. I'll tell that story later. So that was the previous experience. I'll do some storytelling with this as well. I think the storytelling might help someone to get my point across. How fucking hell, I can't see a shit, man. Show the mirror. Show the ring master. Holy shit. It's raining crazy. Done. Stop. So I've sorted most of my task. Right now I'm in my kitchen. I cook this tea. I made this tea for a special recipe that I'm gonna create on this evening. The name of this recipe would be egg roll with. I'll not reveal the name after I did it, but it is something around egg roll mixed with chicken Maggi. So we have a leftover breads, not breads. We have the leftover rotis from yesterday, which I have to use, and or it might get expired or something. I'm gonna do a really spicy roti, and that will be browned by Maggi and Maggi masala. So that is something that I'm gonna do. But this thing that we're gonna use, we're gonna spice our roti state by taste by tenfold. Actually, more than tenfold. So this is something that I'm trying to do. Yes, you cannot see me because I'm up from the horizon. So let me just do it like this. Yeah. So I'm gonna cook some different type of recipe. I'm very much excited for it. This thing has been on my head for the last, I guess, 2 to 3 days. And let me bring this a little closer. Yeah. This has been on my head for the last 2 to 3 days. I really wanted to get it executed because we have our sparing Maggies, the eggs and all this. I'm gonna do it. We just need to make this faster. Once it is done, we are gonna do it. Yep. So that's some good smell. Now let me cook it for 2 to 3 minutes with blasting Ross. So when did I went from business owner to cook? When you are a business owner, you are everything. You are one day CMO, you are one day CEO, you are one day CFO, and every day you are COO. So when you are a business owner, you are all at one. Someday you are chief cooking officer, CCO. So we are doing chief cooking officer shit today. Once CCO is here, you don't have to worry about any food of yours, and that's the power of CCO, baby. Yes, so CCO is going to cook some unique recipes today, which has never been seen ever, and that recipe is going to blow some people's mind. And yeah, so I have been consistently watching all my videos because as I watch my videos, I get to understand what are the problems that I made, what are the wrong things that I did on my video, how can I improve in my communications and all this. This has I have been saying that for a long time, but that's really true. So I've been sitting with my videos, and it just happened to me that my audience is not at all in Kolkata. Like yes, they are in Kolkata. It is especially the students who are ambitious themselves. They are in Calcutta. By majority of my audience is either Bangalore based or Mumbai based, Hyderabad based, where they are actively thinking about problem solving instead of like what this ambitions is there. So that's what I've figured out. So it is that's why I've chosen the language English because in other languages, if I do it on Hindi, if I do it on Bengali, I can get shit ton of people watching my vlogs. That is not something that I want to do. I want to get good amount of people watching my vlogs, and I want to have a community. So I'll tell you my goal is I want to develop a community of smart individuals. I don't want to necessarily develop a community of idiots, duffers, and dumbs. Right? It doesn't matter anyway. So majorly in Kolkata, I've seen the culture has ruined a lot, and it is primarily because there has been not a good companies to inspire to people. There are actually, I'm not saying Kolkata does not have those companies. Lot of companies are there, but they are not doing a very good job in social media. not doing a very good job in educating the students. There are quite a few. There are. But again, to the students or the youths of Calcutta, they are consuming these stupid food bloggers, these idiots, like fucking idiots, or how to make it worse, it's like, how do I say it? Motor vlogging, food vlogging, and all this stuff. I have nothing against that. It's good. It's good to have some foodie thing going on with your life. It's good to have passions for motors or whilst you are doing the walk, right? You are doing to feed yourself or else you are doing it for the motor vlogging or something. Like you buy you wanna buy Ducati, you wanna, but spending your entire YouTube game without learning much thing, the colleges are stupid. You are not learning anything from this YouTube. You are watching and consuming content of idiots who are either making money nor are doing any positive impact on your life, except for like neither making money via vlogs, or even if they are making money via vlogs, which is very low, that has nothing to do with you. So at the end of the day, you end up being a loser. So my vlogs are not necessarily like that. So I'm actively promoting my business. Not my business, I'm passively promoting my business. What I'm actively promoting is a culture that we have to inculcate on yourself. So it's you can see all these videos. Like some days I'm extremely down, and another day I'm extremely up. And that's how life is supposed to be. No matter what, you should keep doing the work that you have been assigned to you or that you have assigned to yourself. That's the primary goal that should be there. And this is the realization that I was having while I was watching my video. I'm like, dude, whatever you are creating, Kolkata audience is not susceptible to it. There is a Kolkata audience, but that is in a very minority. Like very minority of the audience is there. So I think I'm gonna push it more toward Mumbai, Bangalore organically. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I will have to figure out a way to do it. But I'm eventually going to do it. So yeah, this is 9:43 p.m. I was uh, jumping from one thing to another. I have most of my work sorted. Only two works left by tomorrow. Like I have a meeting at 10:30 today, and post that I have a few work left, which is basically editing this video. And from tomorrow, I'm gonna do all the works that I was supposed to finish, which is on my new funnel front. So that is something that I'm eventually going to do. And I have completed all of my works today. Tomorrow, yesterday was a very bad, dull, dark day for me, which I was talking on my video earlier. But now today is a pretty different day, and it's been a great day. I have hit whatever I wanted to hit, so I think that's going good. That's going well, and I want to continue on that. But more about myself, I really want to now watch all my videos because I have mentioned a pretty bold and good pointers out there, which I have to take notes of because all of this were when I was realizing while I was making video, while I was introspecting. So these videos are essentially a part of my introspection. Whenever I see myself, what exactly am I doing? I am finding out the solution then and there, but I'm not noting it down. Instead, I'm recording it on video. Now, to note it down, I have to watch these videos in what part I have said this thing that is actually quite useful for me and what I can do. And then I will implement those things one by one. I'll go through most of this once I create the list, and I think that's gonna help me a lot, and that's gonna help you guys a lot. If you want to do a case study later on a business or a life of a founder, that's how you can do it. After all, I did nail the networking, I did nail the skills, I did nail all of those stuff, which is why where I'm right now I am with a number of clients that I have. But to grow from here on, if I don't actively put my consciousness into it, I won't do it. So that's what I've figured out. And previously, I was not actively conscious about whatever I was doing, but that took me till here. But from here to moving forward is a conscious decision because with a subconscious mind, I cannot go from like I went from point A to point B, but point B to point C is a huge change. This change requires whatever I have to do subconsciously, I have to do it. So cool. I think that's it for now. I'll shoot one more videos or probably this will be the last videos of today. This is, and I'm gonna close it because there's not much things to speak after this. except for doing the work or editing the video. So I think that's it. I'm signing off from vlog 9. See you at vlog 10. So right now I'm leaving office. Due to ADHD, I forgot the recipe that I was cooking. I was about to mention that on the video. So the recipe was it was with the leftover rotis, we can call chapatis. I created a egg roll kind of thing. So I fried this egg with roti on top, and then I flipped it. Then I put some Maggi into it. So it made roti, egg roll, and then the chicken Maggi lying on it. And then I rolled it with ketchup and all this stuff. So it was a different kind of recipe, a roll with Maggi inside, and it was particularly the best. Love it. So yeah, that was one thing that I've tried. I should have taken a picture of that, and I've left my Maggie open. Shit, the Maggie packet is lying like this, which is not something that I want. So there are a lot of ants out there, so I have to put it in a. Holy fuck! See, I was talking about these ants. Here they are, fucking ants. So I'm gonna kill all of them. Yeah, go fuck yourself. You fucking idiots. Fuck off. Die. You know what? To make them die, I'm gonna give some chai patti into it. Go fuck off. Die, you bitch. You poor moron. You should die.